Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. And in today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to make everyone see your status on WhatsApp. So first of all, launch WhatsApp app on your mobile devices. Once you come here, go ahead and tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner. From here, go ahead and tap on Settings. Now, once you come to Settings, go ahead and tap on Privacy. From here, you'll see the category of Status. Tap on it. Now, over here, you can only see three options for Status Privacy. That is My Contacts Accept, and Only Share With. However, you won't be able to share your status with everyone who are not added as your contacts on WhatsApp. So, you would have to select the option of My Contacts, so when you add a specific contact to your WhatsApp, they would be able to see your status. So this is the only option on WhatsApp you could follow to allow everyone to see your status. You could also turn on the toggle for Allow Sharing so that you can let people who can see your status reshare and forward it so that others can view as well. So let's turn it on. Now over here you can also share your story across apps like Facebook and Instagram Story. So you could also turn on these toggles as well. So this is the only way on WhatsApp through which you could do so. And that's all for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.